Hey guys, it is still summer. Well, sadly enough, coming into fall, September's around the corner, but still lots of grilling time left, so we are making up some of this super easy grilled chicken with a beautiful marinade. You are simply going to love it, so let me show you how to do this. So first thing, let's start with our marinade by adding a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar to a bowl, followed by 4 tablespoons of good old olive oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar just to sweeten things up, a tablespoon of my friend Leon Perrin's Worcestershire sauce, a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Sorry, I'm getting a little low on the old Dijon here, that's why it looks like worms. But what are you gonna do? Scrape in the bottom of the barrel. 3 good-sized cloves of garlic, you know, me and my garlic. Now I'm gonna head on out to the old garden and get a sprig of thyme. So we'll just go ahead and throw that in. Go on back out to pluck some rosemary. That's a great thing about country living. Again, into the mix our rosemary goes. Next up, grab a fresh lemon and do the old roly-poly on it. Cut it in half and squeeze that in. And believe me guys, this marinade is beginning to smell so good. Then a little crack of pepper, I'd say about a teaspoon. Grab up your whisk and mix everything together until it is beautifully combined. And isn't this starting to look super duper good? Alrighty then, our marinade's all made, so I'm going to grab up about 6 chicken thighs and give them a slice diagonally. This makes the marinade sink in a little better and it looks kind of cool. Then simply throw our thighs into that marinade. Go ahead and give these a sploosh and splosh around until that chicken is completely coated. And I know some people are going to say you should be wearing gloves, but oh well. I got water and soap. So what you want to do is set these aside for an hour or so, even overnight, until that marinade sinks into that chicken. In the meantime, I'm going to go out and play with Coco. Okay guys, I got my grill good and hot here. Oh, and that looks good. So I'm just going to grab up this chicken and we're going to place it on the grill skin side down just to get a good sear, I should say. And I don't know about you guys, but I simply love barbecues and I love grilling and I love the outdoors. And it's probably a good time to mention I'm thinking of adding a little tag or a little additional name to the channel, Easy Country Cooking. So it'd be cook-and-share/Easy Country Cooking. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. I think it's a pretty good idea. And we're just gonna let these cook up, you know, flipping occasionally, but what a peach of a day for a barbecue. I mean, just look at this. Wow, isn't this incredible? I mean, you might as well take advantage of summer while you can in the backyard and stuff. What a wonderful day. I know the Coco dog is sure enjoying it. He just loves it out here, romping and roaming and eating grass and all kinds of things that dogs do. Oh, and isn't this looking good? I just love these grill marks. And what you want to do, guys, while you're barbecuing here is just baste that sauce over top of the chicken, just occasionally. You know, try and get some of those garlic cloves on there and stuff. And don't worry about the chicken. I mean, any bacteria is going to barbecue off of there. But this smells incredible. Okay, we's pretty much done here, guys, so I'm just going to put them on a plate and take them into the house. And seeing as I barbecued, I'm going to try and be fairly healthy and serve this up with a nice green salad. I mean, I don't know, you should have your greens with your chicken, isn't that right? Some potato salad would be good too, I guess. Oh yeah, you just gotta have those fresh cherry tomatoes over the top. And there be, guys, our easy and simple grilled chicken country cooking style, fresh from the barbecue. I mean, you simply cannot beat this. Alright, my friends, let's just grab up a little piece here and cut into it and see what it's like. Oh, doesn't that chicken look good? Oh my goodness. This is so good, guys. The sear on the chicken, the way it's grilled, oh, that balsamic, the sugar, and then basting that over the top while it's barbecuing, absolutely fantastic. Definitely a must make. Go ahead and make it. Let us know in the comments section what you think. Thanks for watching and see you next time.